Not bad. Alright, I'm going to try the other side now. Go ahead, Mark. Mark will lead us. Now, I don't think stock rigs would have as much of a chance. Yeah. The deadbolt here has got ooh, look at you go. The deadbolt's got the stock motor still, but it's rocking the scramblers, the big 1.0 scramblers, and those double barrel kinetic shocks. That's quite the beast. We also got on that the overdrive gear in the front. Still need to put the underdrive gear in the back, but that's for another time. All right, let's see if the old Jeep can take care of business here. I have to be a little more strategic. Let's see. I have to grunt over. This is not easy, guys. Let's see here. Hopefully I'm getting in the picture. Whew. Oh no! Wah, wah, wah. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Ah, yes! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, that was some hard work, man. Alright. Come around, let me come around to the victory side. No road of shame for me. All right, Mark, lead us. You gonna go to the other new spot? Yeah, we can cut through if you want, however you want. Or you can rock crawl straight across. They would probably want you to rock crawl. Guys, you want us to rock crawl to the other side? Or they said rock crawl.
Okay,
yeah,
we do.
All right, lead us, Mark. Here we go. Ooh, Mark takes one of the most dangerous and hardest spots. Okay. Oh! All right, let me lead us.
Oh, no.
Let me see if I can lead us. But he wants to go this way. It's not going to be easy. Oh, Lord. But Mark came here to rock crawl. So, Mark drives a good 45 minutes to come here. Is that right, Mark?
Yep, 45 minutes.
So,
Depends on the traffic.
depends on the traffic. So, we're going to rock crawl. You came here to rock crawl? That's what we're doing. Oh, don't bump me, please. All right, here we go. You'll knock me right off of this thing. All right. Come on, baby.
Come on.
Yes. Yes. That was.
That's why I don't want to bump you. That's what moves.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. All right. Deadbolt making easy work of the situation.
Oh, I'm like.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're good. All right, let me come. Ooh, actually, we're gonna go this way, Mark. You, sir, are good still. We're gonna make a little turn here. Oh, Lord. Living on the edge. You know what they say? If you're not living on the edge, you're taking up too much space. Ooh, look at the tire wrinkle, guys. I love that. Wait, let's see. Ooh.
I don't want to tuck me.
Trying to reposition myself. Yeah, I'm hung up. I'm hung up, guys. Alright, that's it. I'm I'm trying to go backwards so I can. There we are.
There you go.
There we are.
Living on the edge.
I was living too much on the edge.
Too much.
Oh, good God. Yeah, something's whining. Go for it, Mark. We hear some type of buzzing from the Jeep there. I have to bring it into the garage after this session. See what's going on. Oh, man. Oh, look at Mark. Oh gosh. Okay, show off. All right, hold on. If I move out of the way, you could probably crawl right up that way and continue. So
Yeah,
let me.
That back tires are on the edge.
Okay. Here, let me come over here.
Oh my God, they're
So we
actually
can
on the
see.
edge.
Yeah, you are on the edge, aren't you?
Yeah, look at it.
Yeah, Mark is definitely living on the edge. All right, let's get this show on the road before my battery dies. Okay. Go ahead, Mark. Oh. Very nice. Okay, let me come on this side. Oh Lord. Trigger happy, this guy.
I didn't touch it.
Good, sorry. It's a hard one. You know why this is a little more difficult for the deadbolt is the deadbolt's wider. It's got a wider stance, so he's barely hitting the edge of the wood, whereas the Jeep has got more clearance. See, look at his tires hanging off there, so he's got to be super careful. As the Jeep there. Oh, Lordy! Oh, Lordy! Okay, this. Oh.
What it was before. Nope.
Oh God. That's not good.
What?
Where my tires are. There we are. Okay. That is a tough one. We're almost there, Mark. We're almost at the new spot. Back up. Oh, I don't know. Whatever you want.
afraid to
Hold on.
move.
Hold on. I'm afraid to move, he says. All right, let me get forward a little so Mark can.
Oh my God.
Well, those tires are going to do the trick if you go slow. They should hold your rig up. Mark's going to get some scramblers next week. Watch, his rig's going to have scramblers.
Yep, next week.
See, this course is, it's doable for small tires, but it's really not ideal for small tires, as your chassis would get hung up on a lot of things. So right now we use both of the modded rigs. We've tried the small tire deadbolt on here, and it's difficult. It's definitely a difficult place. All right, next up. All right, hold on. Let me get in real close. You go slow. All right. There's that little overhang. So cool. Oh, yeah, look at that view. All right, try again.
Once I turn the wheel.
Yeah. All right. We got to come up with a name for this one. This spot over here.
What is
All right, Jeep time. Bam, 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 bam. Mark, if I make it with the Jeep, you're, I don't know, man. You're gonna have to come up with a good excuse. Ah! Boom.
boom.
Nice and easy. Very slow. That's your key. You got further throttle control, brother. Try again. Throttle control. Very nice, very nice. I have a feeling, don't go forward too much, but stay there, because we may need a buddy system. This is a difficult spot, and yeah. Guys, this is my phone is just about to die. I got one of those 10% notification things left while I was recording, so to get the rest of this on film, I really want to, and I don't really think that the Jeep has it in her without some extra weights up in the front. So guys, we're gonna winch it up. Mark, if you don't mind, if you can pull forward just a tad, and yeah, go forward to your right. Yeah, there you are. And we're going to connect. Let's see. Yep. All right, guys. This will be one to practice. We're definitely going to practice this one with the Jeep to see if we can make a couple of modifications. My guess is we're going to put a little more weight up in the front wheels. There we are. We're winched onto the back of the deadbolt there, and let's see if this does the trick. Thank you, sir. Teamwork. All right. It's always good to have one bad to the bone rig in the
Front.
in the mix, huh? And in the front, especially right, Mark. All right. Let's before this battery dies, let's try to get back to the house here. Actually, Mark, let's have a little race. You're allowed to flip. If you flip, you got to flip yourself back over, but you got to go in the back, okay? So I'll follow you. All right, come on. My battery won't last, so whoever makes it to the front, but you got to rock crawl. You got to rock crawl. Come over here on the rocks. There you go. Whoever makes it to the house. Oh, you can go in the front. Oh, Lord, I'm not going to make this one. Yeah! Woo! All right, let's see. Let's see, guys. As long as I don't flip, then I could have this. Ooh, rocky. A rocky rock. Oh, no! Mark's got it. Can you put my rig behind yours?
Did you say something?
Hey! Go ahead, Mark. Bring it home. Bring us home. My battery's gonna die. What'd he say again? Oh no, Mark. Look at you. Keep going, you dirty dog. Ah! Now get behind. Fudge!
Hey, he knocked me over.
Oh, Mark, we need a sumo wrestling table. Have you ever done one of those? He's not gonna talk to me right now. He's trying to win. You gotta make it on your wheels. You gotta make it on your wheel. Oh, you dog! He won! Winner! All right, let's see if I can tie. Come on! All right. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Good wheeling, Mark. Until next time, I'm trying to get in here. My gimbal's fighting me. This is Justin with SoFlo RC Life.